Hi everyone, I wanted to make a short video about this upcoming meditation immersion that is going to happen very soon in 6 days on the 19th of May on Sunday from 10 to 6 p.m. and you can attend in person in Nevada City as well as online. I made a longer video recently and I made a very short video recently, so I want to make it somewhere in between. For anybody really interested in what is called spiritual awakening, enlightenment, as well as for anybody seriously interested in healing from various mental health issues or depression or addiction or patterns or whatever, or just mild suffering, for anybody interested in that, I have found that it is really important to develop this capacity of being more aware. This is unusual. We are not taught in school about this. We are taught all kind of shit that doesn't matter. Make us slave in the system. But we are not taught what to do with our thoughts. We are not taught that we are not our thoughts. We are not taught what to do with our feelings. We are afraid of feelings. Our ancestors, they repressed, suppressed their feelings in order to survive, and we receive this transmission of being afraid to feel. So meditation, or what I call awareness silent practice, or this mindfulness or self-remembering, all of this is essential for awakening and healing in order to go deeper in either direction. And most people who want to awaken, they need healing to do, And many people who are healing, at some point they realize, actually there's more to life than this, my little small me trying to attain this and get love and be successful. So in these 8 hours, I will bring my most favorite tools, meditation techniques. And there will be a mixture of brief instruction followed by 20-30 minutes of being together in that technique, or there will be some guidance, some guided meditation in different techniques, and followed by silence. And also we'll have some type of more dynamic meditation, more open-eyed Zen style, looking down, or open-eyed, even simply looking at each other or looking in the room or looking outside. I have a nice backyard, as well as this type of walking meditation, which is very essential if you don't want to compartmentalize your awareness practice for just when you are sitting once a day or so, and you want to bring the sense of being more aware, being more present to everyday life. So my favorite, and what I will bring here, also, I want to say here that meditation is useful for, they discovered recently that it's useful for optimizing blood pressure. They discovered recently that it lowers levels of stress. They discovered that this kind of awareness silent practice, even if for a few minutes, increases creativity. But there's much more to meditation than that, guys. So it helps us to realize that this bunch of thoughts, ongoing thoughts that form our ego, this is not who we are. This is just voices on TV, yeah? And it helps us realize we are not those things. Meditation helps us realize that actually it's totally safe to allow unpleasant feelings and energies in the body, and with proper guidance we can see how it's totally bearable. We can take it. It's not going to kill you. To witness some bubbling in the belly or some burning or some sadness, you learn how wonderful it is to no longer push away or run away from your emotions and feelings and stuff. And you'll see how they dissolve in front of you. Meditation helps to no longer be checked out, man. We are checked out in daydreaming all day, every day. The body's here, the mind is not here, churning on some bone of suffering, suffering with what happened, what will happen, but it's not happening now. Increasing this capacity to enjoy life, man, to live more fully, to live more fully. People who get a terminal diagnosis, they realize, man, I just missed my life. And last few months or years, they try to live more fully. It's late, it can still work, but let's not wait till we get a terminal diagnosis to really be really present to what's here. And if we have less of these thoughts and veils and resistances, actually it becomes much more vibrant. The trees are alive, the colors are wonderful, the smells, we talk to people instead of reacting and being in our head trying to respond to them. We are just present with them, seeing them, feeling them. These are more like some of the top benefits, but with meditation you can go deeper and realize that there is more to us than these thoughts, feelings, and images, and we may discover what in Zen is called our true nature. Our true nature is that which doesn't come and go, that which is aware, this presence. And this presence, the sages say, and don't believe me, but by meditating you will verify that this presence of awareness is stable and is unaffected by any thoughts and feelings, is not dependent on what kind of thoughts we have or what feelings we have or the state of the body. Yeah, so meditation in this way can help to discover absolute refuge, discover actually one of the benefits of meditation together with other work is to discover the source of happiness. So there's thumbs up from the universe. Yeah, so to discover the source of what we want. We want to be okay. We want to be at peace. We want to love fully. We want to be stable. We want to be less yo-yo up and down with whatever is happening in our life. So all of this, they are within us, it's like the sun, but the sun is there, is covered by all of these clouds and storms, and meditation is a way to allow this to dissipate and to discover the sun which is there, shining forth all along. Yeah, meditation also is a necessary platform for us that are, let's say, interested in the fourth way of non-duality or other awakening teachings, which, we are meant now to live in a more awakened state every day as we go to work, as we deal with people, as we look at the news. Yeah, to not be identified, not to be lost with this stuff. So, however, it's important to have this refuge of a 30-minute or 20-minute, 40-minute to kind of go deeper within and to reach this state of inner peace, quietness, presence every day. That's important because then we can try to gradually maintain that and recreate that and find this in the midst of activity. But usually we bullshit ourselves, man, that you are, let's say, a beginner or intermediate on the path, and you say, well, meditation doesn't work for me, my mind is crazy. Yeah, so if you are like that, man, I appreciate meditation, but it doesn't work, I can't see it and all of that, it helps to have a little bit of guidance, yeah? So on Sunday, there will be a mixture of a little bit of a teaching about it, not a lecture, just brief instruction, being together, a little bit of guidance towards taking you to this state of meditation, as well as silent practice, hanging out together. There will be movement, yeah, so we're not going to just sit on our ass all day, and there will be some Q&As. For me, it would be like wonderful day. Also to slow down from this fucking busyness all the time and being in this Energizer Bunny setting. So join me, see the event below. If you need some sliding scale, let me know. although I'm having it really affordable. See you.